Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Light green, sky blue, purple, yellow, yellow, orange, green, red and pink color. Kids, we will trace A, B, C. Let's trace. This is letter A. Now we are tracing letter B. B. Now kids, we are tracing letter C. This is letter D. D. Now we are tracing letter E. E. This is letter F. F. Kids, now we are tracing letter G. G. This is letter H. H. Now we are tracing I. This is letter J. K. Now we are tracing letter L. Kids, write with me. A. This is letter A. B. Now we are tracing letter C. And this is letter D. Letter E. F. Letter G. H. This is letter I. J. Now we are tracing letter K. This is letter L. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L for lion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.